He's my medical team.
Oh yeah, it's got his head, little head right in there.
Don't squeeze it, just pull directly straight up and out.
Oh, it's really in there.
The skin might come out or pinch up.
He's fine.
Got it. That's it.
Did you get his whole head and everything?
I believe I did.
Oh, barf! Look at how many legs.
Oh yeah, it dropped the piece of skin.
Oh my god, did it really have a piece of my skin in its mouth?
I think so.
Like, we need to use some kind of Bactine on me.
Yeah.
Both of you at the same time. Yeah.
Yeah. Look at
Okay, so
that
that's
little guy
getting
go.
sent off to the city of Hamilton to identify, even though we know we're pretty
Yeah.
certain that it's not a bad tick.
Just send it in.
Well, it is bad tick because it like stuck to my skin and
Bad
it tried
tick.
to kill me.